Hi, and welcome to another Clockit tutorial. Today we're just going to go over the simple process of registering an account and how to set up an account as a retailer or a retail staff member. Simply click on Retail Staff Member here at the app.clockit.co.nz registration page, which can be found via www.clockit.co.nz or by app.clockit.co.nz/registration. So click on Retail Staff Member, and that'll bring you through to the Clockit registration page, where you simply add your account details, including your name, your surname, email address, phone numbers, and then you can choose to either add yourself to an existing company on the database, which will need to be approved by the company's administrator, or you could add a new company. So what we've done here is we've called ourselves King Clockit Carpet and Vinyl, added the phone number and chosen our account plan. Then it's simply go down and enter in your password and click on register. So this has brought you through to the Clockit profile page, where you'll see all your profile details from the registration page have come through. You can also come here and upload an image for your profile picture. Any changes that you make, please remember that you will need to hit save. Okay, so next up we're going to check out Manage Layers tab. Under this tab, you will be able to see all the layers that you currently are working with, and any layers that have work requests to due, so you can access their calendars as well. So we've got an incoming request here from a Mr. Han Solo. What we do is go through and accept that. Now, one thing we do recommend is you go into each individual layer and you designate a specific color for them. Just makes it really easy in the calendar when it gets busy to see who's doing what, just a glance of the screen. So just go into save. So now we've got Han Solo in there. We can now book in live time jobs into his diary. For any layers that you'd like to look up, just simply type in their names and then you can request them. Now, just as we accepted Han Solo's request, Rachel will need to accept our request before we have access to her diary. The next tab we'll look at is Staff. We'll click on that. This will take you through to all current staff members that you have on your Clockit account. Now, as a company administrator, you have full access to Clockit. So you have full access to all of these settings. So potentially not all of your staff members will have company administrator access. And the way you change the permissions that each staff member has is by simply clicking on the staff member's edit button. And you can go down and you can change their permissions here. Very important to do this unless you want full access given to every one of your staff members. Again, for any changes made, please just hit Save Changes and that'll save everything. Under Staff, you can also add new staff members, and you can also accept staff members that have joined Clockit, but you need to approve them first before they have access to your Clockit account. The second to last tab that we'll look at today is under Preferences. Under Preferences, you get to choose your calendar colors for short notice jobs. So you can choose any one of the colors here. Importantly, you can also choose how you will receive notifications. Now, we recommend that you choose to receive all notifications via the website's internal messaging system, which is be found under here. But for some of the important things, you may also want to receive an email as well. So you want to receive an email every time a job's been cancelled, or you might want to receive an email every time a staff member has been added. You can go through and change how you'd like to receive each individual notification to suit your preferences. Again, once you've finished, please hit save. The last thing we'll check out is company settings. Here you'll find basic details of what the company is called and how it's represented on Clockit. You will see the company name, phone number, and also the profile picture, which is what will come up when you book a job in with an installer. You also have custom branding option as well. So your custom branding option can be seen here on the top left hand side. If you do not have custom branding as an option, you may need to upgrade your account, which can be done under billing. That's it for today in regards to this Clockit tutorial. For any questions, please contact us at support@clockit.co.nz or give us a call. And please check out the other tutorials that we have that will go over in detail the calendar functions, short notice, and all the other things that you want to learn about Clockit. Thank you very much.